Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the Premium SE, so it is the top of the range specification, therefore you've got a lot of features with the car. That includes things like a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices along with a CD player. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear colour camera and park assist. You've also got dual zone climate control and this lovely glass panoramic roof that does tilt and slide above my head. You've also got front electric heated seats and they are ventilated as well, and you've also got keyless entry with push button ignition. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months MOT with roadside assistance. Here at Howard's we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery, or the traditional appointment in the showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.